Here's the lineup. John Hicks at the 1, Narb at the 2, Steve at the 3. So Hicks 1, 8-2, and Narb 1, 8-1. Steve at the 3, Ian at the 4, Mike at the 5, Winston at the 6, Tito at the 7, Jurgen at the 8, Brett here at the number 9.
Yellow car.
Corner marshals.
No, that's butterscotch. No, the other one. Yellow. Yeah.
The yellow needs to go back one. Thanks, Brett. At the 9.
He doesn't know it. He can't see the yellow.
All right. Corner marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. We're going racing in less than 5. Porsche Cup. Up on out to your spot. Thanks, guys. Porsche Cup 83 off and running.
Oh, so sorry.
Tippy watching the chicane. And we're clear.
Oh my God.
We battle for the championship title. It is between 1 and 2, yeah. The yellow and green 182, and the white and orange 181. So that is John, our local race announcer, race director, and that is Narb, one of our local racers here, in the white and orange. Narb down the back stretch, trying to keep up with John. We're already coming up on lap chapter, coming up on Brett. And we're clear. Ian Douglas in the 3rd spot. Looks like Narb made it around traffic.
Barely.
Top 2 off the end of the straightaway here. Oh, big crash at the end of the straightaway for Brett. First across the line, second across the line. And our 3rd place driver is going to be a battle, it looks like, between Steve and Ian. So Steve in the Carrera in 3rd, Ian in the 992 in 4th, the pink and purple. And Ian beats him to the corner. Ian in 3rd, nice job. 3 minutes and 15 seconds left to go, 3:15 left to go, race number 46 is heading through tech, which means race number 47 start heading to tech. John, Narb, and Ian, followed by Steve and Winston to round out the top 5. Followed by Jurgen and Brett to complete the running order.
Is that you, Narb? Go.
2:15 down, 2:45 left to go down, 2:15 down, 2:45 left. John Hicks out in front by 2.5 over Narb the last time by. Narb just hit his hot lap, 16.9, backed up with a 17.3. It looks like it's over a straightaway lane lead. Narb with the bottle there. Hicks across the start finish line, our E2 winner. Down the backstretch, 2 minutes and 10 seconds left to go. Racing is coming up on Brett. Right now it's a 4.2 second lead, so it looks like John is starting to peel away from Narb here. Ian in the 4th spot, Steve in the 3rd spot, Steve in the 4th, and Winston to round out the top 5.
Oh my God.
Oh, shit.
Tumble there for Ian Douglas. He's going to remain in the 3rd spot. That pink and purple Porsche, cool looking paint job. Now, don't go buying shoes that match that. All right, so Ian in that 3rd spot coming through the middle. Here comes Steve. What? The Carrera starting to close in on Ian for the 3rd spot. It's our only battle out there right now. 1 minute and 10 seconds left to go. Looks like about 2/3 of a straightaway length advantage for Ian over Steve. And Steve blows it in the corner there. So Ian back with some rigor. Racers coming up on track through the middle, guys. Fluorescent yellow. The brakes. Oh yeah, the brakes. teach you how to drive while he's racing you. Down the backstretch, coming up on Steve. You guys are lucky to have him as a race director. I am certain that he's a good race director. Across the start-finish line, John Hicks, 16.9. Down the backstretch, coming up on Steve. Steve, you better move out of the way when he gets there. Steve Soretta in the Carrera. Not many brave enough to run that body. Everybody's doing the 992. Don't do it, Steve. You're already lucky. 10 seconds left to go. 5 seconds. Here comes our race winner, making it by for a victory lap. Can Narn make it by? No, he won't. John Hicks will be our champion when he hits the stripe. Keep going. Keep going. Don't yell at him down. Keep going. Keep going. Narn, you're done with second. Winston, you're done with fifth. Here comes our champion. Boom, Jack, and John Hicks to take the win. Always love it when the race announcer wins.
All right. Good race, guys.
Shut down. John Hicks, second, Alright, see you guys on the podium later. Right now, we need you guys heading out to quarter. They got a couple races left to go. This race for 46.
You didn't win, trust me.
Good race. Congratulations.
I mean the total thing. Who wins?
Good race.
Good race. It looks like a chihuahua.
Good race.
Good job.
Yeah, good job. Good job.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun.